Hi guys, thanks for joining me. I'm Matt with Cover Glass. I know you guys have had some questions regarding our lower profile tracks and the different dimensions and also some of the color options for the track, so I wanted to address that with you today. In between the glass panels, which is one of our main sealants, we use a UV protected, translucent H-channel weather strip so that when in between the glass panels, we make a very tight seal both on the inside and the outside of the panels. So there is zero opportunity for any wind, air, moisture to come in between the glass panels. Everything we manufacture here at Cover Glass is custom made to fit within your size opening. We take your overall size width in feet, we convert it into inches, and we divide going as wide as we can per panel, and we go no wider than 33, 34 inches per panel. We specialize in using tempered and laminated glass. It's two pieces of 1/4 inch glass that come together with a 060 lamination, so the total thickness is just over 1/2 inch. With our bottom track, we have two different size options. Our most standard option is right here. It's 2 1/4 inches tall by 1 3/4 inches wide. This whole thing gets recessed into the ground, so it's nice and flush with your finished floor. We do have a smaller track option, which is 1 1/4 inch tall and 1 3/4 inches wide. The bottom track we always look to make flush in your floor, so there's nothing to step or to trip over in any way. In order to operate the system, the very first panel that you must open will be on either your extreme left-hand side or your extreme right-hand side. You do not open in the center, you start the system on one of the ends. This panel here opens up, stacks at a 90-degree, again towards the inside of the space. It then allows you to then take the next panel, slide it down to the end. This one will then open and stack. Every panel will magnetize to each other, so they stay in a strong position. Everything stacks up and takes a very tight tolerance on the side, only 1 inch per panel. Each panel slides individually. You choose on any given day how many panels you'd like to open and stack, whether that's just one panel, whether you want to create air gaps in between the panels, or leave half the panels closed, half the panels open. Completely up to you, whatever you're doing on your day-to-day activities. It's incredibly strong glass. You're not going to break the glass. You can take a bat to the glass. It's rated as safety glass. It's incredibly, incredibly strong. The only thing I'm doing there is hurting my hand. We do the full installation of our system, all done by our own crews in-house. There's no subcontracting. You'll work directly with us from beginning to end. We are the manufacturer, we're the installer. There's nobody else that sells our system. There's nobody else who installs our system. You'll work directly with us from beginning to end. Thank you very much, and hopefully you enjoy using our frameless system.